This professional-grade Bluetooth boombox is ready for any setting, from the workshop to your backyard. The GAM-I054 is constructed from a rugged ABS plastic that will withstand the wear and tear of the most challenging environments. Its IP55 rating offers resistance against both dust and water ingress. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Play audio from any Bluetooth-enabled device, USB stick, or aux, 3.5 mm audio cable on the GAM-I-54's powerful 40-watt speakers. Use the microphone input to have the unit double as a PA system. Use the FM radio receiver to scan for and save your favorite stations. All of this comes in one lightweight and portable unit. Use the built-in handle for easy transport. Built-in magnets on the back of the boombox allow for mounting to any metallic surface. An easy-to-read LCD display provides information on the current song or station being played. The GAM-I054 is the perfect boombox for work, home, and anywhere in between. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice and the price is right. Use it at work and it's pretty damn cool. Lot of the guys are like, where did you get that? Got to have one.